Scattered clouds moving across the area this morning thanks to an area of low pressure that's just off the North Carolina and Virginia coast. It's actually steering these clouds into Kentucky. Still pleasant outside this morning, but we're not as cool as a few mornings ago, or definitely for that matter last week when we had a couple of things. More clear conditions, but even lower humidity that was in place, which allowed our temperatures to get cooler into the overnights. You see even some 60s into eastern parts of the state. So those clouds kept us a little warmer as expected. Here they are moving in on an easterly flow. Yes, there are some breaks in these clouds, and that will likely be the trend kind of off and on into the afternoon today. But there's the aforementioned low pressure that's slowly working its way off to the west-northwest. Will likely work inland across eastern, northeastern parts of North Carolina, southeastern parts of Virginia. Close enough by that I wouldn't rule out maybe a couple of sprinkles or an isolated shower in far southeast Kentucky. Most of us, no rain expected at all. You'll see that here. A blip or two of some green. Most of the moisture stays closer to the low pressure as we get over into Virginia, North Carolina. But we'll definitely get in on some scattered clouds here and there. Tomorrow, I think a little more sunshine than today, and still going to be warm. Into Thursday, we start to heat things back up again. So this afternoon, mid and upper 80s for most, but I could see some spots, an isolated area that may get back to 90. Partly sunny skies, east-northeast winds 5 to 10 tonight. Anywhere from 56 to 61 here in town, about 60, depending on if we stay partly cloudy, we'll likely be near 60. If we get a little bit more clearing late, that could put us back down into the mid and upper 50s, especially shelter valleys. Partly cloudy tomorrow, same story, mid and upper 80s to near 90 Thursday, back into likely the low 90s on Friday. Into the weekend, we've had to trim back these rain chances as what looks to be like a cutoff low slows down and doesn't really get more closer to our area until Monday with a little better chance for some scattered showers.